A dedicated chore chart station in a busy family kitchen turns accountability into a visible habit that reduces friction and morning chaos. Start by zoning a section of the kitchen command center at eye level so every family member sees responsibilities as they pass through. Use a magnetic chore chart with color-coded magnetic strips for each person so assignments can be shuffled quickly and visually without damaging surfaces. Pair that with a dry erase weekly goals board mounted directly above or beside the magnets to show priority tasks for the week and to record completion with a simple check or initial. For homes that want tech, integrate a touchscreen app mounted flush in a cabinet for digital tracking and automatic reward tallies. And make sure the app syncs to a shared household calendar and sends simple push reminders to phones for assigned times. Add an attached envelope system for allowance and receipts where completed chores trigger a move of a paper token or allowance envelope into a pocket that an adult can verify at a regular time. Finally, install a token reward drawer that kids can open to exchange tokens for privileges and use clear rules displayed on the board so trades are predictable and fair. The three common mistakes are overcomplicating the system, inconsistent enforcement, and making rewards unclear. When the chart is too complex, family members avoid it, so keep labels simple, limit items to daily and weekly categories, and use familiar language that makes the chore list approachable. Inconsistency kills momentum, so set a short daily check window like after dinner and have the same adult lead verification to build routine. Vague rewards create arguments, so post exact token values and available rewards on the board and update them at a set weekly meeting so expectations stay stable. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners explore practical kitchen command center ideas and find contractors who do family-focused installations. Our site also helps contractors connect with families looking for project work, and we host a discussion community where users share setups, troubleshooting tips, and local recommendations.